Welcome to Kantona Motors, where we offer quality for less. So today we are going to review this quite good unit. Today we are reviewing a Mercedes, a C-Class, in particular a C200. It's a 7G T-Tronic 2016 model. This car is it's a 2000cc engine, petrol. This car engine capacity, fuel capacity, the tank carries to around 66 liters. This car speed from 0 to 100, it goes from around 7.7 seconds, and you're good. This car comes with a bright interior. To be specific, ni red, brick red. Is it hapo kwa color kidogo? You let me know. This car comes with original Mercedes clock. It comes with an original Mercedes infotainment. Comes with cruise controls. It also comes with auto adjustable LED lights. This is quite a classic car. This car is usually built for comfort. Yes. The car comes with the engine. For these ones, they comes with engine code. So the engine code for this one is the M274. It's a rear drive, meaning this car consumption gives you around 6.2 liters per kilometer. Yes. So this car is quite a nice car. You can see the AC, the system. It has a wood finish. Also the trunk, the boot trunk is quite spacious. It's a 5-seater. Ukiangalia nyuma, quite very nice space. Ule mwenye amekaa. And then it has a steering stabilizer, such that this car average speed that you can use is around 120. Yes, you're operating at 120 because its odometer, the speed odometer goes to around 260. Imagine gari inafika 260, lakini kwa barabara zetu hapa itakuwa tricky. Nakumbuka kitambo watu walikuwa wanaambiwa unapewa Mercedes mpya, unaambiwa ukiangusha hiyo gari unalipwa. So Mercedes, they specialize in class and elegance. You can see even the shape. The shape looks very nice. Currently, this car, the infotainment is perfect. I say perfect because they balance their music quite well. It has tutors, the basic sound, then the bass system. Quite very nice. As I said, it has pedal shifts. This car rim size around 18 to 19. Those are the normal rim size. Wow, what can I say? Situsikii gari vile inaenda. Ama mnasemaje? Sikia mgurumo nani? Yeah. Quite nice driving. Very nice, very nice. Ooh. So this car at the market is going for from 3.9 to around 4.5, depending on the features like sunroof, MG, It's a model AMG.
No
Or
ETC
basic.
card is inserted.
Okay, no ETC card is inserted. We know that. So you find it has different variants. These ones, the seat warmers, and the good thing, the seat controls are not under the seats or above. It's here at the door panel, so you get to control your seats ukiwa umekaa comfortable. So for this and more, especially class units, karibuni Kantona Motors. Peace.